Hey everybody, second medical vlog today. I was gonna film before we left the house, but sometimes things don't work out the way you expect. I was up till way too late because I'm always nervous about things, even if I've had them before. So, kind of sucks, but yeah, I'm on like 2.5 hours of sleep. We are going to Palm Harbor today to get a epidural. And no, don't let the stomach fool you, I am not pregnant. This is an ESI, an epidural spine injection. So similar medicine, different location, and it's effectively going to do, hopefully, the same dang thing, except I've had these before. This one's a little bit different. Normally they hit me with 5 or 6 shots of Novocaine or lidocaine or a cane of some sort. Not this cane, but a cane of some sort, to numb me up, right? Because I'm a big baby. If I feel the needle, we're gonna have problems. And of course, I feel those 5 or 6 needles and we have problems. This is a new doctor, and his philosophy is, I don't like needles as much as the next person. So why would I stick you with 7 total needles and the first 6 are gonna suck when I could just have 1 that sucks and that's it? You know, honestly, the logic is more sound than I care to admit, but I've seen how long these needles are, and I'm not all that comfortable with it. So we've got the illustrious Amber B here with us today. Say hi.
Hello.
Hi, Amber B. So Amber will likely be driving home, but we'll see. Yeah, so we're on our way to Palm Harbor. It's about an hour drive. We'll get a little B-roll for you of what's going on in the area around us. But yeah, I'm nervous again. And this one I've already had before. I've just never had it without the numbing medicine.
I mean, it could be definitely a valid way of getting it. So
I think it's valid as hell. My only concern...
We're gonna find out.
My concern is if where they do the procedure is exactly the same place that they do the regular x-rays. I've had x-rays at this place before. Yeah, everybody in that office is going to hate me. There is no door.
They're used to it.
There's no door.
They're used to it.
But are they used to someone that
Yeah.
that their voice projects as much as mine does?
It happens. It'll be okay.
This doctor claims he's got a little special sauce for me that's going to make this one better than any of the others. So we'll see. Hopefully he will allow me to bring a camera into the room. Previously, funny enough, the other doctors have for these ESIs. But we didn't really have a YouTube channel at that time, and I also was never thinking, this could be a medical vlog. I just took photos, and Amber took photos.
How can I get out of here as quick as possible away from these needles?
Well, yeah, and like, if I've got something else on my mind, right, I probably won't be cussing as much like a sailor, but I presume that if they do let me have the camera in the room, because this is it's fluoroscopy, so I've laid on a table of like 1-inch thick acrylic, and they put an x-ray machine, but instead of just like blasting your chest when you're standing up, this thing fires x-rays up and down, or just up or just down. I don't know which way it fires, but they can basically hit me with an x-ray, see where the needle is, move it a little bit, hit me with another one, see where it is, move it. It's kind of cool. And if it's anything like the other ones, I should get a printout. And we all love printouts to be able to show the needle in my spine. But what we'll do is we'll have an unedited version as well, but we'll probably only allow that for like Patreon or something like that when it comes out. Because if they do let me have needles in the operating room, there will be a non-trivial amount of cursing. So if we are allowed it in there, Andrew, who is our lead editor, I'm sorry, but hey, you get paid by the hour, so I guess this one might work to your advantage.
The cursing wasn't an issue. That's not what made this video hard to edit. I've seen things. And now you get to see them too. Albeit blurred. You're welcome.
Anyways, guys, we are on our way out there. We got to be out there by 11, so it's a little bit over an hour drive for us to get out there. And today's date is Friday, July 16th, to kind of give you an idea of timelines of where things are. So, anyways, I guess we'll cut to some beautiful B-roll, and we'll go from there. Take care. All right, we're here. This is the doctor's office. So, yeah, I don't know. I'm not all that enthused, but we're here, so.
Valid.
Took us a little over an hour, as expected. Had to. Thankfully, there's a lot of stop and go traffic, because ye old legs are not feeling great. You're definitely going to be driving home. Definitely. So yeah, we're here. Got a couple of minutes until the appointment. Mask up, keep safe, and
Here we go.
here we go. Either you'll see me inside, or you'll see me back in here. We'll find out. Hoping they let us film inside, because it'd be pretty cool.
It would be cool.
It'd be cool. It's kind of cool. All right, we'll see you guys later. Jeez. Whoa. Hey, that was a little cold there, buddy.
Little wipe with alcohol. Okay, here we go.
Woo! We're gonna have to blur all this out.
Stick, 1, 2, 3. Picture.
Woo! All right, I can see the needle.
Yep, picture. Picture.
Oh, man.
Let's put the cortisone in. And let's get you, maybe you just needed to videotape it the last time so you didn't get all.
Oh,
like
man.
I said, you said you had, this is the hard part. Picture. Okay.
Oh, I feel it.
You will. It's going to
Yeah.
be uncomfortable for a few moments. Be uncomfortable for a few moments. All right, that's it. It went beautifully. That's how it's supposed to go. That's it. Just
Dude,
lay
this
there
is-
for a second.
All the other ones I've had were and they were higher up. So why was this one considerably lower than the others that I've had?
I do a caudal approach so that we get the lower part of your spine as well. That's how I like to do it.
I mean, it does feel like something's punching me in the base of my spine right now, but...
Yeah, I've never had an epidural this easy. He went in at like the base, at like the top of my butt, which was weird, but yeah, I've always had them higher up on my spine. So yeah, I guess I got like a puncture at the plumber's crack, if you will. But this would be the sacrum, right, where he kind of went in. So actually, there's a model right here. We can show this. So, kind of at the base of the spine there is where they went in. Miss Amber, would you mind pointing out where they went in?
If you were to pull this down, right through there.
Okay. So, like, not bad at all, ultimately, at the end of the day. The easiest injection I thought was easier than getting, like, normal shots.
Yeah, that's what he said. That would be easier than getting venom.
I didn't trust him. Yeah, this was so much easier. And I guess because there's not a lot of nerve endings there, where there's quite a few more up the back, this one was a lot easier to deal with, so yeah. Although apparently this one we're not going to feel like, you know, instant, like relief or something like that. And people might be wondering why I'm like, talking randomly here. I'll bring Miss Amber in. Miss Amber's here with me, as she has been previously. This was pretty easy. took longer to drive than it took for the procedure. So, can recommend. My doctor's awesome. Love him to death. Yeah. Thought this was gonna have way more footage than this. I did get some pictures, some still images of the needles on the table so people could see them. But I guess I'll have to put like a squeamish thing on here. Maybe blur out my butt. I'll see you guys in the car. Or we're just waiting for the doctor right now. All right, we're back in the car. I thought Amber was going to be driving, but not yet.
This has gone the best that it's gone so far.
It's seriously been one of the best injections I've had. Now, of course,
I didn't even get to get any video of him yelling.
I know there was no
He didn't
video.
get to scare anyone down the hallway.
I was saying how the editors are going to be happy because they get paid by the hour. There's going to be a lot of literally. I don't think I cussed once.
I don't think so.
Yeah. It was pretty funny though. You were waiting outside the room.
Oh,
Doctor comes over. He's like, "What are you, the bouncer or what else did he say?"
Yes, if I'm coming in or if I'm going to be the bouncer. Yes, to both.
So Amber got the footage from inside. We have no idea what it looks like. The screen on these cameras
Bear
is
with me.
really tiny.
It's really tiny, and I had to be quick because I don't want to hold the doctor up as
Yep.
he's got lots to do. But he was he was great.
This one was just odd because it was like right at like the top of my butt crack. There's no nicer way to say it. It just kind of is what it is, right? But yeah, I mean, I barely felt the needle. I felt the pressure, and then right as Amber turned off the camera, it started to get really uncomfortable because again, it's like, it's not that it's painful. I guess there's some pain involved. It's more like, I don't know what this is. My body doesn't know what's going on here, and therefore it just kind of freaks out a little bit. So he said I might be a little manic.
Not like
Or
flushed.
flushed?
Sometimes
Okay.
steroids make you like really flushed or
So wait, I had steroids? Let's hit the gym! Let's hit the gym! Let's get ripped!
not those kind of steroids. I mean,
So we're actually right by Innisbrook. And those of you that don't know, we actually have done trophies for Innisbrook because this is where the Valspar Classic is done. So maybe we'll throw that up on the screen here. But yeah, so I've never actually been to the golf course. This doctor's office is as close as I've ever been to the golf course because the golf course is literally on the other side of the road inside of the community. So we're gonna go get some lunch. We'll take you guys along with us because it is probably my favorite lunch spot.
it is his favorite lunch spot. It's a fact.
It is a fact, yeah. I'll shout him out. It's Bangkok Sushi in Lutz. You're gonna see why we like it. See you guys in a bit. We're here. I am excited. Amber, are you excited?
Excited.
Oh, it's gonna face track me again. There's two people here. Hi. There's the second person.
I'm just a ghost.
Are you excited?
Excite.
Excite, much excite. This is what makes most of the injections worth it.
Fair.
Yeah. Let's cut to that sexy B-roll. Really? Really? Fine. Something else? Let's cut to that B-roll. So this is a little crazy. We're here at Bangkok Sushi eating lunch, and right next to us happens to be Uncle Jessy. If you don't know him, go check out his channel. We'll put a link in the description for you. But yeah, one of the larger 3D printing YouTubers out there happens to be in town on vacation. This was not planned. I didn't ask him for any photos, didn't want to bother him too much, but you know, at least shook his hand and thanked him for all the work that he did in this industry. So that's pretty cool. He doesn't live here, so it was kind of odd to see him. But it was pretty cool. One of those instances you get to meet someone that you look up to because of the work that they do. I thought it was pretty cool. So hopefully we'll be able to film with him next time that he's down. He told us to hit him up online, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. But yeah, Uncle Jessy, if you're watching this, thanks for being cool. Sorry that I'm probably a little bit more awkward than I planned, because you don't really plan to go out and recognize people. It's a little weird, but yeah, man, it was cool meeting you. Good luck. All right, we're gonna get to this. Well, lunch went a little unexpected, you could say. The food was great, as it always is,
As always. Favorite
but
sushi.
it was somebody there. Uncle Jessy was there, which is kind of crazy.
Yeah, small
he's-
world. Yeah.
He's got 2 orders of magnitude more followers than we do, which is kind of crazy. But the guy is so down to earth. I mean, seriously, I'll put links to his channel in the description down below. Go follow him. I mean, his content's great. He's actually one of the people that we look up to when it comes to telling the stories of the content, right? Because YouTube has metrics for things like watch hours and watch time and how much time someone spends on a video. I never find myself clicking off of his videos because whether I understand the topic or not, I'm gonna understand it by the time it's done, but his footage is it's just shot so well. I don't know what he uses to make his lighting is just perfect. But anyways, dude was crazy nice. I guess he's down here visiting family, Tampa, in Tampa, Florida. And he's gonna go actually probably film with one of our competitors, which is cool. I'm glad that he's actually gonna go film with other people, but hopefully the next time he is in town, we'll get to film with him too, and he can check out, you know, not only our printers, but also the sets, because we're one of the few 3D printing companies that also has a YouTube channel. So it was cool. Dude was crazy nice. It took us a little bit to I'm like, all right, is this really him? Because it's possible that there are doppelgangers out there, but I finally said, all right, I'm just gonna ask him. I know his real name. I don't know how private that is, so I'm not gonna say it, but I asked if that was his name. He said, yeah, it is. I said, so you're Uncle Jessy? He's like, yes, I am. I'm like, dude.
The odds of being sat directly next to him in
Yeah.
a restaurant and
Like,
small
zero.
Chances, small chances. It's just funny.
The chances are less than 1%. Hell, less than 0.001%. I mean, I don't know. I feel like I'm like fanboying, but okay. I look up to him not just because of the content that he creates, but how he does it.
Oh, I
And
agree.
we aspire to create content on that level sometime soon. I mean, these new sets, you know, definitely have some inspiration from him and Joel. Joel Telling, the 3D printing nerd. That name is not private. I know that's not private because that's all of his Twitter is at Joel Tellings. But yeah, it was cool. Maybe that's the YouTube overlord smiling down upon us. Hopefully that doesn't mean that the very, 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 very low chance that I have a very bad reaction to the steroid shot doesn't happen. But I guess we'll find out. Yeah, that was all. That was just kind of weird. I didn't expect to do like a post-lunch vlog. We have leftovers. I don't know.
The
Steroids
waitress
are...
recognized us. And
We did
said-
get recognized by
and
the
said,
waitress.
You guys usually order more Thai food, don't you? And we said, yeah, but not this time.
I feel like we
And
were
she
being
said, well,
added by the
still
waitress.
We still have leftovers. We said, we know.
Yeah.
That's
No.
okay, the food's good, so.
Food is very good. If you do live in Tampa, take a trip out to Lutz and go to Bangkok Sushi. You won't be displeased. And no, they're not sponsoring that. And who knows, you might meet famous YouTubers while you're there. That's still kind of hilarious. But yeah, that's all. I think that's going to be it for this vlog. I don't really think there's much else. I mean, unless there is a bad reaction, then we'll have an update. But yeah, I think that's really it for this one.
No bad reactions.
No bad reactions.
And we're gonna will it away.
We're gonna will it away.
Mm-hmm.
Latin spite.
Latin space.
Latin spite it is. That's the best damn medicine ever made. Latin spite, ladies and gentlemen. All right, you want to take us out?
As always. I can take you out with this fist.
I
I'm
paid.
just kidding.
I took you
That's
out.
better, you did.
So then I guess is it my job then to take?
Yeah, I think it's only appropriate.
Okay. Well, as you all know, stay safe out there. Don't forget to call your loved one. And as always, keep making awesome. Have a good one. Wait, hold on. Keep making awesome. Yeah! Get out of car.